I really did not expect this package to arrive to me so quickly from China, but if I'm correct and it is exactly this package, then I'm supposed to have here AMD Radeon RX 6600M. So it's a mobile GPU in form of a standard desktop graphics card, yet another tweak that Chinese like to do with their GPU chips. Inside the box we have another box, and that another box is put into this bubble wrap bag, so the packaging is rather safe. The GPU box itself is rather boring. We do not have any titles, do not have any print. We can only see here graphics card, and on the other side we have 2 years warranty applied to desktops and basically no information about what graphics card is actually inside. The GPU inside the box is also rather well protected. We see here an extra protective foam, and the graphics card is lying in an anti-static bag. So here is the graphics card itself, AMD Radeon RX 6600M. Immediately what I can say is that the graphics card feels rather solid. We also have a backplate, but the backplate is unfortunately plastic. I'm not sure if it is visible on the camera, but there is absolutely nothing between the backplate and the graphics card itself, so it will not help with the cooling in any way. The cooler seems to be rather solid. I don't feel that it is made of crap, but I can see that it is one solid piece of aluminum. It is not thin stacked cooler, so I'm not so sure about its performance. RX 6600 is not a hot GPU, and 6600M supposed to be even cooler, so it might be just fine, but I will have to test that. Now regarding the I/O shield, it seems like there is some slight movement here back and forth, and we can also see that there is one extra hole for a screw, so it seems like this I/O shield is a repurposed I/O shield from some other graphics card, which is not native for this particular model, but doesn't seem to be having any problems because of that. And here we have the title, RX 6600M, 8GB of DDR6. This is a typo, it's supposed to be GDDR6 because there is no such thing as DDR6. We have here a warranty sticker and here quality control, okay. So even though it is a mobile 6600M GPU, we still have 8-pin extra PCI Express power connector. So I have a hope that it will perform exactly the same as a standard desktop 6600, but it costs on AliExpress significantly cheaper. With this, I'm gonna shut down the video, but if you're interested to see detailed test results about this graphics card, then please follow me on the main channel. There I will publish detailed test results.